Hello guys, I hope you are well today. Today we are here to show you, I want to show you how to set up Google Analytics alerts in your Analytics account. So let's get started. So to set up Google Analytics alerts or traffic drops or traffic spikes, we will just have to go to admin section, to the admin section of the Google Analytics account, and we will go to custom alerts. So it's very straightforward. It will help you to track when you have a big massive change, obviously when you have a really a massive change in your website. For example, a traffic drop could help you to investigate why that could be. Maybe you have stopped creating new content, or maybe you go to revise your technicalities in your website foundations, or you go to update your website, you have left it there. So it's it's a great way, an excellent way of taking action as soon as possible. So you just book here, for example, let's start with the traffic drops. Select the views that you want to apply this filter. Then also here in period, you can, for example, set up to week or to month. So I would recommend to set up to month, because every month you will, if you upload monthly content, you will know as well if that content is successful or not. So I will set up now on month. So per month to receive these alerts. So the alert conditions will be applied to all traffic, or you can apply to just one of these custom dimensions here. But I prefer to set it for all traffic. Alert me when sessions, in this case, when your sessions, for example, here decreases, because as a traffic drop alert decreases, for example, by more than 30%. I think it's quite good comparing to the same month in the previous year or to the previous month. In this case, the previous month is the one that I recommend to set up. Set alert, and this is how you will track your traffic drops. Then we could also set up here a traffic alert, traffic spike alert. So the spike is gonna be very good news. So for example, if you get a traffic spike because you're uploading new content, or your social media is doing quite good, so your social media is helping you to leverage the quality of traffic to your website, and therefore as well your conversions and sales, then you would set a condition here that it will let you know when your traffic would increase by more than 30%, which would be a really great news. The same day in the previous week, or the same day in the previous year. Let's do let's set out a month. So we got this set out also to the previous month, so previous to the last month. So it's very a good way of keeping track of the health of your website, and this way don't forget about this important thing. So if you get a drop, obviously you will get a drop in customer conversions, e-commerce conversion rates, and if you get a spike, obviously we are hoping that you get quality traffic and not only a vanity metric, which is traffic. So take into account that this is only like the middleman. This will help you to identify problems or potential things that you could improve. So I hope this video helped you and it make you realize how important it is to set up these alerts, so to keep you updated of what's happening. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon again.